Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You've been told to prove that the area of the rectangle is 50 units square. So how do we prove that the area of the rectangle is 50 units square? So how do we get the area of a rectangle? The area of the rectangle is length times width. So you can see the length of the rectangle is side BC. So when you substitute, you will find the length is BC, then it is times the width is the side DC. Now if you look at this side DC, the side DC is the radius of the semicircle. So side DC is the radius, so we've already found DC is R. All we need to get is BC. How do we get BC? You know that the angles of a rectangle are at 90 degrees. So if we make this angle here to be angle alpha, then look at the triangle. If you now have that triangle BCF, triangle BCF is a right angled triangle, so that when we now have cos alpha will be what? Will be adjacent over hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent of triangle BCF? Triangle BCF, the adjacent side is side BC over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side F, the longest side FC. So there you will get, that is BC over FC. FC will be given to be 10. You see that? So from there we can see cos alpha is BC over 10. So if you make BC the subject of the formula, you multiply both sides by 10, you'll see BC is 10 cos alpha. So when we now substitute, what is the area? The area is BC, which we found is 10 cos alpha, then times DC, which we found to be the radius of the semicircle R. So we found the area is 10R cos alpha. So what we need to get is this cos alpha. To get that, we will use the property that a diameter subtend an angle of 90 degrees at the circumference. So if I extend from F to G, a line from F to G, then we will get the diameter GC subtending an angle of 90 degrees at the circumference at the point F. That is, this angle here at point F will be 90 degrees. We have another triangle GFC, which is also a right angle triangle at point F. So there again, what is cos alpha? Because we need to substitute cos alpha. So what is cos alpha? So there you'll find cos alpha is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent of triangle GFC, the adjacent side is the side FC over the hypotenuse of triangle GFC is from G to C. You can see the hypotenuse there is GC. So if you substitute side FC, you've been given to be 10 over side GC. GC is the diameter of the semicircle, and the diameter of the semicircle is twice the radius. So it means where there is cos alpha, we shall put 10 over 2R. So when we substitute the value of cos alpha there, what will be the area? The area will be 10R times cos alpha, but cos alpha we found is 10 over 2R. 10 over 2R is like saying 5 over R. So R will cancel with R. We will cancel out R with R. We remain with the area to be 10 times 5. And that is 50. So that is how to get the area of the rectangle. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.